yung hamon mo, magpakita ako kung hindi duwag. Para ko rin sinabi, halimbawa, Senator, ikaw, maging independent ka, kung hindi, duwag ka. You know, this is not a radio or TV program. This is not entertainment. This is the Senate of the Philippines. So we have to be more professional. Kung hindi ka lang tulfo, at kung hindi lang tulfo si kapatid mong si Erwin, at sinumbong ko na kayo kay tulfo, di ba? Pero ang reality is, because nandiyan kayo, because you have a strong voice, use it for the good of the country. There are also issues facing you. So you ask Joel Villanueva, you ask Jingoy Estrada, you ask Chis Escudero to face it squarely. So face the issues also squarely. Huwag yung titigilan natin yung Blue Ribbon na committee and then gagawin natin personal yung lahat ng issues. There are issues facing all of us. Pati ba naman, Senator Tulfo, lahat ng pinapay, binintang nyo sa amin. Nung panahon ni President Duterte, kamping-kampi kayo sa drug war. Ngayon naman, baliktad. Tapos lahat ng pinatay, sinisin nyo. So, pati ba naman internet at saka aircon, sa akin nyo pa rin sinisip. O baka murder pa yung kaso na yan, ha? Murder kasi pinatay ang wifi at yung kuryente. Nakita ko na po ang report, yung po palang master yung pong centralized aircon, yung master switch o yung sa kuryente, nasa GSIS yon at may nag-trip ng wire. Kaya at around 6 o'clock, nagkaroon talaga ng problema sa aircon. So, hindi po namin gagawin sa inyo. I've always treated you well, whether I'm close to you or not, whether you're in the minority, majority, and I will continue to treat all of you well. But kayo ang namimersonal, because kami, it was been one issue after the other, di ba? Hindi kami ang nagpapasok sa NBI sa Senado, yung May 11. Hindi rin kami ang kumuha ng NBI na fully armado na pinaikutan ng Senado tapos pumasok pa sa Senado noong May 13. Hindi rin kami ang nag-walk out. So you keep saying fresh start. Every Senate President that I've served under, whether I was the majority leader or minority leader, whether I was in the leadership or I was just a simple follower, I gave them a chance. So let me ask the 11 minority who's asking me to resign now. Well, kahit na isang oras, binigyan niyo ba ako ng chance?